Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to check for software updates for your headphones Philips. You have to start by open Philips headphones application. Of course, you need to add your headphones to the app. Then you will see the same menu. Right here you need to go to the settings at the right bottom and then click at the product information. Right here we have software update, tap at this line, it check for updates, and it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, you can update it here. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!